Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we are going to diagnose the check engine light on a Kia, and right here we have an OBD2 scanner. If you go, this is pretty easy to use, go to read codes, basically read codes, press enter, stored codes, and then we have P0010, just camshaft position actuator circuit, open bank 1. We're going to take a look at where that sensor is, so what you'll need to replace. There's the sensor right here. This is what you need to replace. Now keep in mind, this could be an issue with the sensor, it could be an issue with the wiring, or it could be an issue with the ECU itself, but most likely it's going to be that sensor. To replace that, you're going to have to support the engine, remove these bolts here to pull out the engine mount, and then you have a Torx bolt right here that needs to come off, and then the sensor can come off and can be replaced. That's all. Thank you for watching.